Hi everyone, today we'll fix this net framework issue. So here we have some options. You just first have to open your control panel and then you have this Windows feature. Just click on it and then you get this feature Windows 2.3.4 something and click OK on it and let it install. Make sure your updates are on so it could be update. Let the Windows update your download or do not download, no changes. Just download, you'll back after. Okay, another way to fix this error is clear your temporary files. You can either use this command or just clean up your C drive. Okay, my command is not run yet, so I'm gonna use it here in the address bar. %temp and again percentage and then click enter. Here you got all your recently opened or installed files. Just Ctrl A to select them and Shift delete to delete them. After that, reboot your device and it will fix the issue. Third way to fix the issue is on the Microsoft website. They said use this command, so I'm gonna use it. Open your task schedule and then you go to your task and then we have to go to Microsoft and then we have to access Office and then we have to right click Office background apps. Okay, let's search this one. Every 12 a.m. every 12 p.m. I'm gonna disable it and this one also disable it and this one also disable it. I'm also gonna check anything like .NET framework here or something like that. If you are not a subscriber to our channel, kindly subscribe. It will help us as well. Windows updates are already disabled, so what we need is .NET framework. I couldn't find any .NET frameworks. So it says you disable the Office app and then restart your computer and try and message me in the comments that the issue is fixed or not. I have shown you 3 different ways. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Allah bless us all.